Right, I'm going to see if I can fillet the edges of these letters or words or shapes. I'm not really sure what it says, to be honest. Let's have a look. Hello. Right. No, that isn't in the orientation that I'd normally work on it. So what I'll do is I'll put it how I do it. Everyone has their own different ways. Also, it's not planar if you look, but we can soon sort that out. So select everything. I mean, I know there's other stuff on it, but I'm not going to worry about that for now. Let's just do these letters. So select center rotation F4. If you press shift, that constrains it. I think it's 90 degrees on standard Rhino. I set mine to 45. Press enter, turn that to there, press enter. And that's put that there. And then if we, keep it selected. Project to C plane. Yep. Delete inputs. Yes. So that should now put everything flat, so we can work on it. Now we're just going to concentrate on these bits here. The only thing is I don't know if that's the right way around or not, so if it isn't, forgive me. So if we select that, but not that one, press Control, you can deselect. We'll just hide that lot for now. I have to keep swapping views because to get the resolution high enough on the recording software I have to have a very small window, so just bear with me. Another thing that's a pain is points on is F10 shortcut, and also that's a shortcut to stop recording software, so I have to keep remembering that as well. But I think the problem is with this, if we just try and do it as it is, now I don't know where they've come from, these curves, if they've been imported from a font or imported from other software, but letters and shapes like that are imported from other things are always dead dodgy. There's in millions and millions of points. So if I go points on, there you got quite a lot. Now another thing, if you're printing stuff, I don't really know about that, so maybe someone will add to this and let me know what the score is, but I know if you're milling stuff, certain bits like that you're just not going to cut, but doesn't mean to say it's wrong what you're doing, it's just that. Let me try and demonstrate. So if we do a circle from centre, snaps on, we go there like that, and we go 0.127 like that. Polyline from the end of the quad. Now if you press, I've got snaps on here. If you press a smaller than button 5, that's going to constrain that to 5 degree points from there. So that's a vertical. So first one, 5 degree. Let's go up a bit there. And then if we mirror that around that quad, press shift, and then we can, well, we don't need to do this, do we? But we are. Select that, join that together. So that there is the diameter of the cutter. So if we go from there to there, 1.3, and then looking at your no, that's the where's the name there, 1, 2, 3, so that's 4 mil. I know there's other stuff in there. heart on that, but you still got 2mm on the letters there. So if you go up 1-2mm there, dimension, linear dimension, 1, 2, so roughly there and there or thereabouts. It doesn't really matter, it's only for demonstration. You got 0.5, so the smallest radius you're going to be able to cut at that depth is 0.5 of a mil. So if we do that, centre of circle, the diameter 0.5. Then we bring that into there. If you see, you're not going to cut that anyway, and you're not going to get that in there anyway, so it doesn't need to be as precise as it is. Now, I know things are different with printing, but I've got a feeling that you'd lose any benefits you'd get in the sharpness of the corners on clean up, and if you could clean up in there. So, like I say, I don't know. So, if we fit curve CRV to that, tolerance of 0.1, so it's still, well, you can even do it like the rebuild, to be honest. So if you look at that, it's 70 points. I think it was 90 originally, but I think that's not good enough there. But yeah, so if we bring back our to do delete it, our circle, you're going to get in, but so that'd do, I reckon. Let's come into that one. So if we points off, surface, extrude, straight, both sides now, cap on, yeah, distance 2mm, didn't we? And then fillet edge, try that. Yeah, that's works. Now if we go back, copy, that there, fillet edge again. Now, to be honest, that radius is that small, it wouldn't even show up, and any benefit that you got from it in polishing, you just lose. But what it does do is make the renders look good. So if we, let's swap them to a different colour. So if we go over to render mode there, whereas this looks dead boxing horrible, that looks, you know, there's a bit of shadow in it and like bright spots and stuff, it just looks better. Level hard, I don't know how I managed that. So So that's really the only advantage of a fillet that smaller thing. I mean, but there you go. That's how I do it. Alright, I hope this helps. Thanks, bye.